Blending story. Farah's fan. Farah's fan. Farah was a fat lass. Farah the fat lass had a fan. It was a red fan with a tag. Farah felt so sad. Her red fan with a tag was lost. Read after me. Farah's fan. Farah was a fat lass. Farah the fat lass had a fan. It was a red fan with a tag. Farah felt so sad. Her red fan with a tag was lost. Your turn. Comprehension check. Who was a fat lass? A. Farah, B. Sarah, C. Lara. Which of these words described Farah? A. Thin, B. Fat, C. Dirty. What did Farah have? A. Can, B. Pan, C. Fan. Was Farah's fan green in color? A. Yes, B. No, C. I don't know. What was the color of Farah's fan? A. Red, B. Blue, C. Yellow. What was with the red fan? A. Hag, B. Tag, C. Rag. What did Farah feel? A. Sad, B. Happy, C. Mad. Why was Farah sad? A. Her fan was lost. B. Her fan was wet. C. Her fan was found. Good job!